Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola Omobaba. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fried rice with shrimps. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and the notification bell so as to receive notification whenever I'm uploading my video. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make fried rice with shrimps. Measure 2 cups of rice and wash it properly so as to remove the starch. Drain out the water. Add 2 cups of water in the pot in the cooker. Pour in your rice in the pot so as to parboil the rice. Drain the water out after 10 minutes. Then put in another water in that rice in the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 spoon of nut chicken powder. Stir it up properly. Cover it for just 10 minutes. Slice your onion. Measure 3 spoons of vegetable oil in a separate frying pan. Put in your sliced onion for just 1 minute. Then add your egg so as to make scrambled egg. Flip it properly and let it cook for a while. Add in your chunk of butter. So as to bring out a nice taste in your scrambled egg. Pack your egg. And start removing all the tails, the unwanted tails from the shrimps. Stir your oil with the butter, then add your shrimps so as to cook for a while. Add your carrots and green peas. Add your sweet corn. Cook them properly. Add 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 spoon of curry chicken powder, and stir them properly so as to fry for 10 minutes. Then add your egg, your scrambled egg. Mix them up properly. Then start measuring the rice bit by bit in another separate pot. Then add your veggies, which contains all your vegetables and shrimps. Mix them up properly. There you go. Fried rice with shrimps. Nice looking. Thanks for watching.